Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to create this structure. And now I will show you how to create it without having this box border. So first, you will come here. This is the one who is creating the border of the box or is controlled by a box border. I will remove this one. And I will have here instead, I will use the deconstruct vrep in this part with this component, and then take the edges. Here you have a shape which is different from what we had before. Here you can also control how many cells do you have and so on. So now I will also take another random structure from this part. Well, here I will remove this, and then here I will reduce. We'll create the random reduce using these cells. And then, as you can see here, we have 53, so I might choose to reduce by 20. 20, and now we have this new cells, which I will preview off. And I will also create a slider for the seed, the random of positions. And now I will take this one by taking this deconstruct vrep, the same here. And I will hook up by using shift these two faces only also. So as you can see, we have the new cells which I can increase the number of reduced cells so that I could get rid of the box frame or the shape of the box. And here you can control the seed, which shape do you want to have, and here you can control also by reducing or increasing the number of the cells reduced here. So, and you can also keep playing with these sliders to create much more interesting points. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.